Education Recipes for Learning presents to you Adding Integers. If you like this video, please remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. And with that, let's get started. Let's take a look at adding integers. Let's use the 3 steps to problem solving. Step 1. Recognize what is given to you in the question. Let's take a look at a question when it comes to adding integers. Compare -3 plus 5 versus -3 plus -5. Will the answers be the same? Before we can add integers, we need to recognize the following. First, that integers are whole numbers. Second, that integers can be either positive or negative. Third, the connection between positive and negative integers and direction on a number line. In connecting directions with integers, we know that a positive integer means to go to the right, and a negative integer means we go to the left. Here's an example of a number line. We see the direction of positive integers is to the right, and that the direction of negative integers is to the left. We know that 0 is neither positive nor negative. Step 2. Recognize what the question is asking you to find. Compare -3 plus 5 versus -3 plus -5. Will the answers be the same? We recognize that we need to add and then compare the values to find if they will be the same or not. Step 3. Recognize the steps you will take to solve the problem. We can either use a number line to show the results of adding two integers, or we can use rules to show the results of adding two integers. Then we must show the results of a comparison between the two values. Let's look at using a number line. Let's start with -3 plus -5 because we see that both integers are negative. That means they are heading in the same direction on a number line. I start at -3 and move 5 spots to the left. 2, 3, 4, 5, and that means my resulting integer will be -8. Let's move to the more complicated one of -3 and 5, and we see how we can make it easier. We see that the integers have different signs, so that means that they are not heading in the same direction. I start at -3 and I move right 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means my resulting integer will be +2. And using rules, when the signs are the same, we add the numbers and keep the signs of the integers. Let's start with -3 and -5. Since the signs are the same, we add the numbers and then keep the same sign. So we have 3 plus 5 is 8. We keep the sign, so since both 3 and 5 have negative signs, we look at -8. So -3 plus -5 equals -8. When the signs are different, we first ignore the signs and then subtract the numbers, and then we take the sign of the larger number. Let's move to -3 plus 5. Since the signs are different, we subtract the numbers and then take the sign of the larger number. 5 minus 3 is 2. So therefore, 5 being larger than 3 means that we keep the positive sign 2. -3 plus 5 equals +2. But we don't generally show the positive sign, so the answer is 2. Complete the question by showing what you have found. So -3 plus -5 equals -8, and -3 plus 5 equals 2. So therefore, the answers are not the same. We hope you found this video enjoyable in learning about adding integers. If you would like to see other videos from Education, please click on the videos on the screen now. Thanks for watching, And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this. Leave a comment below to tell us what educational topic you'd like to see from Kitchen Recipes for Learning. Until next time, keep learning and have fun.